Hi, Ate Jinky. Happy 50th birthday. Have a good day today and more lights.
More like your birthday. Yung maganda naman ko nga.
Oh, sige. I-edit ko na lang.
Hi, Chinky. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Wish you have more birthdays to come and more slice to cake and more ulam to eat. Thanks.
Madami.
Ate Jinky, maligayang kaarawan. More birthday.
Happy birthday, ti Jinky. Kuan, kanang bahala lang ka magkuan, basta Bisaya lang ako Kanang malipayon ka sa imong birthday, always. Na-English ka na.
Ulit pa.
Basta, happy birthday sa imo ha, kuan. Dagang cake.
Happy birthday, Ate Jinky! Happy 50th birthday!
Happy birthday. Visit ka siya.
Hindi ko greetings. Hindi ko sinabing kaptaan mo. Wala akong nakuha matinong video.
Background mo po. Happy birthday.
Bakit dapat isa na sa sign language na lang eh?
Ano lang siya, yung background. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Sumama ka doon.
Happy birthday.